DJM TV.
Nigeria don ready to receive the first set of coronavirus vaccine. My correct person wey know something there, I welcome you to yet another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. That's your one-stop channel where they give you all the better gist dem and happening story as they share for inside our obodo Naija and even all around the world safe. And in case abeg, this is the first time wey you dey see our video, make you no forget to subscribe. Abeg, like the video, share the video so that you sef go be part of this family, and you go also fit invite your friends, your family, even your sometimes your enemies too, make dem come be part of this one big family. Who know, after that time I fit settle una quarrel. Now the matter wey we carry come na concerning this COVID-19 wahala, as they call am for Naija, korokoro. So when korokoro come for 2019, we no too pay too much attention to the whole matter. We dey look at say, na just one country, now e dey like that. Before we know, the thing begin carry leg, dey waka. You know, the guy sabi trek, e waka go plenty place. E begin enter where dem no for call am, both the ones wey call am and the ones wey no call am. E begin go their places dem. Before we know, the thing don turn to worldwide pandemic. Many countries come begin dey go on lockdown because of the matter wey call the shele. Before we know, businesses dey go down, many things come happen, and as such, many scientists come begin come out to say, okay, make dem look for a way, since na virus, make dem look for antivirus or vaccine as they call am, wey go fit help country people and world people to take overcome this wahala for the health sector. Na so dem come do am. Different vaccine giants come go into research. Many of them come dey come out with their own. So come out the thing fail, you know, before they go through testing, before they call approve. They don approve it. Many countries don begin, you know, collect book with COVAX, wey be the world body for on top of this COVID matter. They begin book with COVAX to collect this vaccine so that they fit vaccinate their citizens. But go remember say, at a point Nigeria, they disqualify Nigeria from receiving the vaccine sake of say, they say we no get constant line, we no get better fridge wey we take store the vaccine dem. Na that matter na we call dey o, we dey judge the matter dey go, how e go be. But last now, the COVID-19 vaccine, e go enter Nigeria on the 2nd of March 2021. Government don even go extra mile. You know say this kind thing people go dey rush am, so they talk. So they don go extra mile to launch website for the vaccine registration. Na so the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency announced this one for their Twitter handle on the 1st of March. To say the agency don bring their website guideline on how people go fit take register for this COVID-19 vaccination for Nigeria. Because Nigeria dey prepare to receive the first batch of the COVAX AstraZeneca vaccine on the 2nd of March. The oga of the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, FASIA, don talk say that they launch the teach strategy for the COVID-19 vaccination and the electronic management of immunization data, IMID, to assure Nigerians of the readiness for them to roll out the COVID vaccine program smoothly. They talk this over their Twitter handle, and they say for you to register for e-vaccination, as in you register online, so that when you reach, they'll quick attend to you. So you go log on to their website www.mphcda.gov.ng. Say for that you go click on the COVID-19 vaccination e-registration. Now they say they wan launch teach, TEACH strategy to take do this vaccine. Teach na acronym wey mean T na traditional vaccination campaign approach, E means electronic self-registration by eligible Nigerians, A na assisted electronic registration of eligible Nigerians, C na concomitant vaccination along electronic registration, H na house-to-house electronic registration. Also na be teach. Say the goal na to introduce the vaccine in a phased and equitable manner wey be like say WHO advise them to do. Now many people don dey say this vaccine wan come, who and who dey qualified to collect the vaccine. Well, the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency don tok say for dis first doses of vaccine wey dey come the country, say na the following group of pipo na go collect am: healthcare workers, frontline workers like military, police, oil and gas workers, Nigerians wey dey for border post, and strategic leaders. The president and the vice president of Nigeria, including the governors of the 36 states and the minister of the FCT, dey expected to receive their own dose of the vaccine for live television. Nigeria dey expect about 3.92 million doses of this vaccine from the COVAX facility. The vaccine dey go enter road from India and they go arrive Abuja by 11 a.m. on the 2nd of March 2021. So far, 24 African countries don collect go soon collect the COVID-19 vaccine from the UN-backed COVAX program. These countries include Kenya and Nigeria, wey go receive their own on the 2nd of March. Kenya go get 1.25 million doses of this vaccine, and they go start their vaccination immediately according to their health ministers. They say frontline workers and old people sef, dem go receive the vaccines first, while Nigeria dey expect 3.92 million vaccine doses. So e go become the third country to benefit from the facility after Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire wey don collect their own. And so the country dey expect to receive another batch of about 16 million doses from COVAX in the next few months. So Ivory Coast na be the first African country wey roll out vaccine program from the COVAX program. Now they call COVAX since. Wetin be COVAX? Many people never know. Now COVAX na one body wey be like say Gavi Vaccine Alliance and the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovation dem set up to help poor countries and to get the vaccine so that rich countries no go push dem go back as dem dey distribute this COVID-19 vaccine. Now the COVAX scheme dey propose to help to reduce the gap between the rich and the poor countries. Say because dem know say if dem leave am make only countries go collect, na only rich countries na their hand go touch this vaccine. E say, and dem want make sure say the 92 poor countries get access to the vaccine at the same time with the 98 rich countries wey go also collect their own. Dem dey aim to reach up to 20% of the population of the poor countries so that e go be free, as government no go pay any money for the vaccine. So right now, as e be like this, so the vaccine, the doses of the vaccine wey dey enter Nigeria, so basically dey free because COVAX don already pay for this vaccine, and they expected say Nigerian government go give out the vaccines for free. Now the matter dey for ground now be say many people don say president must collect im own for live television. Vice president and other people dem wey be frontline workers and leaders, dem must collect their own dose of the COVID-19 vaccine for live television before dem begin roll out the matter. Now two questions na dey come to mind when e come to this COVID-19 vaccine. Number one, many people dey ask say hope na free because we know say Nigeria things dey say for Nigeria anything dey talk say na free for other places. When you enter Nigeria, somehow dem go find how we go take begin pay, maybe for registration or to enter line or whatever the case be. So people say hope say na free, number one. Then number two question people dey ask now be say hope e dey voluntary, like optional. So if somebody say I no wan collect, hope nobody go come say you must collect. Hope not be by force to collect the thing, because you know say some people get reservation when it comes to this COVID-19 vaccine based on maybe personal beliefs or religious grounds, whatever it is. Now how you see this matter? You dey happy say this vaccine dey enter Nigeria, 3.92 million doses of this vaccine. Make we not forget say they say new strains of this koro dey come out every day. So this vaccine go fit fight the new strains wey dey come out. And people wey don collect this vaccine go come need to collect another one wey go fit fight the new strain of the COVID-19 wahala. Well, chook your mouth for the matter. Drop your comment for the comment section. We go dey read them. No forget say this na still DJM TV Daily News Update. I greet to
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like her.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.